Hello to all my friends out there. And so I want to do a little cheap cooking. And so I bought some French fries, yikes, at Dollar Tree. Yeah, they're showing up. And so these can really stretch your budget. I bought a big package at Dollar Tree for $1. If you can fry them on top of the stove, but if you bake them, you don't have to bake them 400. You don't have to attend to them. You can just bake them and then, you know, eat them. The time is right. And that is about, you know, it's better for fresh potatoes. I'm going to be buying some big bags of potatoes. But until that time comes, these will do just fine. Okay, and in here, I have some, I fried some chorizo. I got it at Dollar Tree. This is about a quarter package. And then I drained the grease out of the chorizo and I just slid the chorizo to 1 pound, or to one side. Chorizo's one of those things that can really take over your food. But what's good about it is it goes a long ways. Let me see if I can find the package. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay, so I cut my chorizo not very neatly in 4 pieces. So that's about 25 cents worth of chorizo. Another thing that's good with chorizo if you don't want potatoes is cinnamon toast. And so now I just want to scramble my eggs. And so this is going to be a pretty substantial little meal, but a pretty cheap meal. Here's the potatoes I bought at Dollar Tree. I did this 20 ounces, 1 pound and 4 ounces, something like that. And I bought the eggs at Dollar Tree. And I bought these cookies at Dollar Tree. So about 36 cents worth of eggs, 25 cents. You know, that's crazy. The eggs are more expensive than the chorizo. And I have some jasmine tea. And some lemon. I bought the sampler. I find it's good. You know, jasmine tea is really good if you've never tried it. It's good with a little sugar. Here's my little decorative stones I bought at Marshall's. And then what I do is, and I use this milk in my eggs. I just added a little milk to my eggs. I keep it mixed up in the refrigerator. Sometimes I use it for cooking. Sometimes I drink it. I'm going to be looking around. So now these are going to be some good chorizo. Oh, now see, this would be very delicious inside of a burrito. But that's not the way we're rolling here. Potatoes are good. As soon as I can figure a way, I'm going to buy those big bags of everything. Start buying those big bags. It's cheaper. You know, it's fresh. Frozen, though, is the next best thing. This'll do. Maybe less than $2 for the whole thing. Okay, here it is, chorizo and eggs. This is soy chorizo. I had never tried it before. It's not bad. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.